gardening friend. It is time for a June garden tour. We're already at the garden. We're on a June garden in North Carolina.
Thanks for that intro, gardening guy, camera guy. Come over here and look at the potatoes. Here's a row of potatoes down through here.
Where?
This is potato right here.
This is potato.
Yep, there's potatoes growing underneath the ground there, over there, and then there's a row going across there.
Potato.
There's a volunteer. That's probably a tromboncino squash volunteer.
Oh, come
See that vine
on.
right there?
Not another big one.
Yeah, I know, crazy, huh? Here's my tomatoes. I would say the word for June actually is hot and dry, but I do have some tomatoes growing. That tomato looks pretty nice, huh? We tied them up the other day with our tie tool. Have a link in the description.
I do have some tomatoes growing.
You do? Oh, that's right, you do too. So yeah, there's some more tomatoes. This is my wall of tomatoes. They actually look pretty decent, don't they?
Yeah.
I've been giving them some water.
Alright.
We do have some onions down there too. See these onions?
Yeah.
What were you gonna say?
This tomato, my tomatoes are probably like half of this.
Yeah.
Because I planted them like a month ago.
There's peppers. Camera guy ate a pepper off of this one. It was like a banana pepper, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think it was a banana pepper for sure. Here's some arugula, which camera guy doesn't really enjoy that much.
Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. It took a while to focus. Hey. As soon as you got it back, it focused immediately.
Okay.
Hold on, let it focus. Hey! It focused.
Arugula. Right. Here's
to
another.
show
I think
China.
this is a pepperoni. I think that's the ones I planted because Grandma likes them. There's some onions ready to pull out. See the big onions?
Pulling out right now. Wow, nice.
Pretty nice, huh? Okay. Look at the beans going up that trellis. Those are, I believe, Chinese jade bean. They get really, really long beans on them. Like, look, here's the beans starting to go right there. But they're supposed to be tender green beans. There's some more beans. They're really long and skinny right now.
Yeah. We're going back.
Look at the peach tree.
But look at these. Look at these.
Oh yeah, that's another tomato plant. I believe that might be a beefsteak type of tomato.
And we can get to the figs next.
Oh wait, there's the moringa tree. The moringa tree that sprouted up. I think last tour it was like 1 inch tall. So, yeah, look at the peach tree up
Peaches
there.
are almost ready. I'll zoom in on one that looks pretty good.
Yep, they're getting there.
One on the very bottom is nice. Hey,
That one
leaves
down
got
there.
in my way.
That one down there looks like it's starting to turn orange.
I just zoomed
Twine.
in. I just
Starting to twine orange.
Yeah, I just zoomed in on it. Because I didn't
look at
want to
this.
go back there.
This is a tiger panache. Look at that. I've never had a fig from this tree.
Also, I'm not fired anymore.
Yeah, no, he's doing a good job. Look at the watermelons going up that trellis. See, there's watermelons all along there. There's some peppers. This one looks like it's probably a jalapeno. I gotta give them some support. This has jalapenos on it. See those jalapenos down there? You can see them?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's other peppers here. We do have a few tomatoes. Oh, look at these peppers. I'm not sure if those are peppers. I know they're peppers. I'm not sure if they're pepperoni or if they're...
At the end of the video, we can put on footage of a skunk in Grandpa's garden.
Oh yeah.
Because we got footage of skunk.
Yep. We did the other night. He was running right
That was
through the
last
middle of my
night.
garden.
No, yesterday night.
Yeah.
Yesterday night.
Okay.
What is this stuff?
That's arugula. Another patch of arugula. Okay, let's go around.
Aren't those volunteer raspberries, or did you plant those?
I planted them, but then they grow out from the roots. Send out more raspberries.
Oh.
So there's some tomatoes we've been eating off of those Johnny Sweet 100 tomatoes.
I haven't.
You tried one.
Yeah, and I spit it out and almost threw up.
Yeah, well, you'll grow up one day.
There's a tomato in the corner for mine.
For his habitat there. Here's some broccoli. We've eaten the top off, and then it's still putting shoots out, and we're eating leaves from it too. Did you see that cucumber? The cucumbers are just getting started.
Yeah, my dude.
There's cucumbers all along. See the cucumbers all along there?
Girls, cucumbers.
Now that is one of Camera Guy's favorites.
Yeah.
And I planted some more lettuce in here. See all that kale? That's Dinosaur Kale. Our blackberries are doing well over there. Our onions are about ready to harvest over there too. And garlic. See how brown the garlic is? That means it's ready to harvest. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click that like, because clicking the like really helps YouTube know that they need to send this video out to other gardeners. Have a blessed day. See you again real soon.